Hello YouTube, it's Jim Chapman on American Airgun Hunter, and today I'm going to be out with the Hatsan Factor RC pre-charged pneumatic air rifle. This gun comes in 177, 22, and 25. I'll be out with the 22 caliber. The Factor RC regulated carbon fiber, that's what the RC stands for, has an adjustable AR type of buttstock and pistol grip. Very ergonomic. It's an externally adjustable regulator that lets you really tune up the gun, tweak it for both excellent shot-to-shot consistency, but also allows you to optimize it for a certain projectile. It's an externally adjustable regulator that lets you really tune up the gun, tweak it for both excellent shot-to-shot consistency, but also allows you to optimize it for a certain projectile. In 22, the gun can get up to 900 feet per second, though I've got this one tuned down a little bit. I was going for both consistency and best accuracy I could get. A 10-shot string JSB exact Diablo pellet, the 18.1 grain. I had a peak velocity of 807 feet per second, 797 for a low. That gave us a standard deviation of 3.2 and a spread of 10.7. Try a couple of different slugs. I've got the FX hybrid slugs and also have the H&N slugs, and I'll give those a try. We'll see how they do. This string was from the H&N 29 grain slug. It's a 10-shot group, and I had a maximum velocity of 692 feet per second, a minimum of 676 for a standard deviation of 5.2, and a spread of 16.1. So again, very consistent. Delivered good power at about 30 foot-pound. Again, note, I have the ability to tune this up quite a bit higher, significantly higher than this, but I'm just trying to find that sweet spot of shot count, accuracy, and power for small game.
Okay, so I've had the Hatsan Factor RC, it's 22 rifle. Had it out shooting today. I've been doing my setup for the hunting season coming up. I'm going to use this gun for both some longer range stuff on prairie dogs, but some rabbit hunting, other small game hunting as well. I'll tell you what I thought after using it today. As far as fit, the gun is ergonomic. I like the pistol grip, the adjustable buttstock let me set it up so that it fit me well. It's got the Hatsan Quattro trigger, always a good trigger to work with. 21 shot high capacity magazine, handled both pellets and the slugs that I was using out of it. And speaking of slugs, the gun shot slugs really well. The bottle gives you a pretty high shot count, and it's regulated. The RC is regulated, and I'll tell you, it's regulated well. This gun had hardly any variation shot to shot in the strings that I was shooting. Overall, it was just it was a lot of fun, and really looking forward to hunting with it this season.